Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Summit Reserve in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, premium fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-cut detection, heads-up display, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 52,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 47826A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.